For all chicken lovers, I know you have tried different ways of chicken in home as well as restaurant. But have you ever tried Handi Chicken, which is very delicious, made with chicken cooked on a low flame for a long time and can be done very easily with less ingredients? Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's do Handi Chicken very easily without any secret masala. Now let's check the ingredients. Chicken with bones, with that coriander powder, salt, cumin powder, red chili paste, coriander stem, ginger and garlic paste, onion, yogurt, coriander seed, black pepper whole, red chili whole, and garam masala powder with garlic and bay leaves. Now let's begin the recipe. First of all, take the chicken pieces and place them into a large bowl where we will marinate the entire thing. Into this, add 2 medium-sized onion cut into thin slices. After that, add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of red chili whole paste, though you can adjust according to your taste bud, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Then add salt as per your taste and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then with your hand mix everything well, though I forgot to show you while adding turmeric powder. Once you're done with this, then keep it for 30 minutes before cooking further. Now in a earthen pot, add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil and heat it up. Once the oil heat up, then add 2 bay leaves, 1 small garlic, with that half teaspoon of coriander seed, 5 to 8 black pepper, 2 to 3 red chili whole. Next stir it well, then add the marinated chicken with the marination properly. Though do you know that many people doesn't want to prepare handi chicken at home, as in a traditional way it requires lot of time as well as lot of ingredients. But if you try this way, it will not only cost much less time and there will be no compromise on the restaurant style taste at all. So why are you waiting for? Try it in this weekend. From above, sprinkle some coriander stem and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Then cover and place this pot onto the fire. For first 5 minutes, cook in a high flame. Then reduce the flame to low as possible and cook for around 15 to 20 minutes before stirring it. After 15 to 20 minutes, open and stir it well. You will see lot of moisture release from the chicken. Now open the cover and cook for another 15 to 20 minutes in a low flame. If required, you can stir in between so that it doesn't stick at the bottom of the pot. Now finally you can see our moisture has been evaporated, oil has flowed up, and check the chicken. If it is perfectly done, then switch off the flame and then serve this handi chicken. So now you can see how simple and easy way you can make your own handi chicken. For this, you don't have to run in any restaurant or any other place to taste it. You can make it anytime at your own comfortable way. So if you think today's recipe is worth it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon. So whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. See you again with another new episode. Bye-bye.